What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Daily Refinement. Today we're going to go over wholesale. How do you buy wholesale, and can I give you some quick ideas on how you can buy wholesale? So if you are like me, then thrifting or retail arbitrage starts to get old, and most people do not tell you where they buy their items or where they source. But I will tell you what, for me personally, from being online and sharing my processes and letting people know exactly what I'm doing and what I like to sell, I have actually attracted some wholesale people to me, and I am going to share some with you guys to give you an idea of where I get my inventory. One of the sites that I use is called bluelots.com. I also use govdeals.org. That's a government website, and I also I love looking for sources that are outside of your normal bargaining. For example, I buy some wholesale direct from Goodwill. So it depends on the relationships that you start to build. But I want to introduce you guys to a friend of mine, Brooks Boland, and he actually is in my mastermind group. It's another place where I was able to find out a lot of places where people actually source. And Brooks is, I'm going to connect that video to the end of this video so you guys can get an idea of his warehouse. He traditionally was selling electronics, but he came into a large supply of clothing, and a lot of my audience is clothing sellers, so I wanted to pass that information along. It's not too often that you'll find people to share their wholesale sources with you. That's why I'm wearing sunglasses, because most of the time people keep their wholesale connections close to heart, and that's probably a good idea because you don't want to share exactly what it is that you're selling. And I see people get into a lot of trouble, especially, I have people join my group that have purchased reseller lots that are all identical. So if you're purchasing wholesale, don't purchase wholesale from someone who sells the same box to every single person who orders it, because then it's too saturated. You need to purchase things that are more unique. That's why becoming the rep for a specific manufacturer directly is so important. So hopefully this was useful, quick and short to the point. So I just want to introduce Brooks. He's a friend of mine, and was able to meet him in person here at eBay when he was going over his new product, which I presented in a previous video called Data Mine. So in that software has a lot of great features, but my favorite feature is the auto-ending, auto-relisting feature. A lot of people like myself use good till canceled listings, so we don't have the time to end all of our auctions after 30 days and then relist all of them. So they have software that can do that. It's very inexpensive. If you want to try it, reach out to Brooks. I've included a link below for you to check out. And if you guys want me to do more wholesale, or you have any questions on it, just put it in the description below, or a comment, please, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Or if you want to reach me directly and quickly, just email me at chris@dailyrefinement.com. I don't charge for that. Ask me any questions there. And if you want to join my Patreon group, again, it's patreon.com/dailyrefinement, and it is free if you hit your goals each month. So talk to you guys in a little bit. Here's Brooks.
Hey everyone, it's Brooks from Data Mine. Today we got a pretty special video that we're doing. Thank Chris Lynn for pushing this video. Make sure you subscribe to his channel. So what Data Mine has done is, we sell IT products like this stuff right here. But we just got into the clothing business, and we brokered a very big deal with getting wholesale products. Our goal today is to help sellers out there be able to buy wholesale in multiples of the same thing. So just not buying one-off items. You're buying 5 of something, 10 of the same shirt that's going to move, and you're getting it at really good prices. So the inventory that I'm showing you today is 3 different types. It's short sleeve shirts we're selling for $2.75, long sleeve shirts $2.75, hoodies $7, and pants $7. So with that said, here's our warehouse now that's set up for our wholesale clothing business. And let's just come on this way right here, and I will start showing you some of the inventory. Keep in mind that I'm just showing you a sample size of stuff today. You will see a lot of this product if you do try to buy some of it. But there's thousands of the same types of brands of different stuff that you will be getting. With that said, I'm just going to start with the collegiate wear. So this manufacturer does a lot of college stuff. Anytime that you see a college shirt out there, it's only made by like 5 different big licensed manufacturers out there, and we've partnered with one of them to help y'all. So you can see from Georgia to Huskers to California, Ohio State, Michigan, top schools out there. top 5 in the nation in football, big stuff. Number 1 in the nation in basketball, championship last year. So these never worn, brand new, $7. We have a limited quantity. I think we only have like 100 of these in stock right now. So make sure you buy these because you can sell these all day long for probably $35, $39.99. Moving on to some of the hoodies that they have. They make a lot of product for also New Balance. So this is new with tag, overstock items, MSRP at $40. So this stuff right here, hoodies, $7. When you fill out the link, you tell us how many you want. If you want to buy a one-off of everything, that's fine. You just fill out that in the drop-down box. But if you want 5 of these and then 5 short sleeve shirts or 10 of each, we will accommodate your needs. That way, you know, you have a nice, healthy eBay or Poshmark inventory. Next thing I want to move on to is the New Balance short sleeve items. That's this stuff right here. This comes with new with tags, and these right here, MSRP at 20 bucks. Remember, you can buy these at $2.75, so you can make some very good margin. Next thing is I'll go with Minecraft. Minecraft is very hot items out there. We sell this stuff every single day for $14.99. Remember, long sleeves, $2.75. So very cool stuff. And then this brand right here is called Genuine Merchandise. Very important. It comes with a licensed sticker. So I think this right here, MSRP is at 33 bucks. You know, you can get that at $2.75 in the short sleeve. It's a very good brand for young kids out there. And then one of the last things I want to show you is All True is an outdoor manufacturer that kind of plays around with outfitting companies like that. So ton of this type of product. This stuff comes also with tags, 24, ranging from 24 to 29 MSRP, mainly on the women's side, but they have some really cool graphics out there. So that right there goes for $2.75. So if you want to go ahead and come on up, I just want to kind of show you a close-up of the tags, and that way you can kind of see if you're interested. But New Balance, this is just how you would see in the stores. And then the All True. And then the general merchandise, 33 bucks. License sticker. Minecraft, there's no, this is not come with new with tags, but Minecraft sells itself, I guarantee you that. And then so that's basically what I want to tell you guys. Definitely follow us on Facebook, follow us on YouTube. Thank you, Chris, for pushing this. I hope everyone has a great and safe Christmas. And make sure if you're interested, click the link below and it will be a web form to fill out what kind of product you want. Have a good day. Bye.